Hey, how are we doing, guys? Rado here. Just wanted to do a quick video of our units. We just finished and ready to launch. They're all launched on online traveler. So just going to do a quick tour around, switch the camera so I can show you what we got here. So we're going to start in the bathroom. So here we are, shower, electric shower, sink, mirror, toilet. And then we are back in a room. Nice comfy bed. We got a table over there, cute. And then we have like a kitchenette here. And then we have also chairs with Netflix and on it. We're going back, going out. And then we're going to the next one, which is pretty much similar. So we got here, so you can hang your coats, jackets, and back again. This, we went for red chairs on this one. Same JVC 32-inch smart TV. Comfy bed in red, the other one was in blue. Nice little flower there. Wi-Fi speed is actually really good. Kitchenette, and yeah, same here. We got the bathroom, and then we got toilet, sink, mirror, and so pretty much that's the tour of our 2 unit. If you're a landlord and you're looking to have a guaranteed rent for the next 3 to 5 years, then please reach out to me. Happy to have a chat and see if there's any way we can help. We're looking to get more on board. We're looking at specifically HMOs in the area of Northamptonshire. So if you're a landlord, you're tired of dealing with tenants, you want a hands-off investment, have that passive income coming straight into your bank account without fail every single month for the next 3 to 5 years, then please reach out to me. We'll have a chat. Take care, all the best, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.